Hola amigos, dear friends. Soy el señor Arora, tu profesor de español. I'm Mr. Arora, your Spanish professor. En el video de hoy voy a enseñarte los números en español. In today's video, I'm going to teach you Spanish numbers or counting. So, are you ready? Let's start. Entonces, ¿están listos? ¡Vámonos! So let's start with the counting. 1. In Spanish we say uno. 2. Dos. 3. Tres. 4. Cuatro. 5. Cinco. 6. Seis. 7. Siete. 8. Ocho. 9. Nueve. 10. Diez. 11. Once. 12. Doce. 13. Trece. 14. Catorce. 15. Quince. 16. 16. 17. 17. 18. 18. 19. 19. And 20 is 20. Actually, V in Spanish is normally pronounced as B. 21. 21. Now 22. 22. 23. 23. 24. 24. 25. 25. 26. 26. 27. 27. 28. 28. 29. 29. And 30 is 30. 30 is 30. And from 31 onwards, actually it differs a bit, because now we add and also when we say 31. So it will be 30 y uno. E is added. E means and. Now up till 99, Y will continue. We'll always say like 31, 32. So E will be added before the second number. So it will be 30 y dos, 30 y tres. So similarly, up till 39, it will continue like this. Now we come to 40. 40 is 40. Now if you want to say 41, it will be 40 y uno. So it will continue up till 49. 40 y nueve. Now if you want to say 50, 50. Now you want to say 51, 50 y uno. So it will continue up till 59. Now we come to 60. 60 is 60. 61 is 60 y uno. Now it will continue up till 69. 60 y nueve is 69. And now we come to 70. 70 is 70. 70 is 70. 71 is 70 y uno. Now we come to 80. 80 is 80. 80. 80 is 80. 80 y uno is 81. Now we come to 90. 90 is 90. 90 is 90. 90 y uno, 91. Now we come to 100. 100 is ciento. C-I-E-N-T-O. Ciento is 100. So for 102, we say ciento dos. Dos means two, 102. You want to say 105, ciento cinco. 110, ciento diez. Now you want to say 122, ciento veintidós. Veintidós is 22. Now if you want to say 134, now it will differ a bit. 134. So 34. Now 200s. So 200 is 200. So we'll say 210, 210. 210. 255, 255. Now if you want to say 300, 300. 317, 317. Now if you want to say 367, 367. 500 is a bit different because earlier 100, 200, 300, they are a bit similar. For 500 they say 500. Quinientos. 500. 500 is 500. You want to say 510. 510. 552. 552. Now we go to 600. 602. 602 is 602. 600 is 600. 642. 642. Now let's move forward to 700. 700 is 700. 738. 738. Now in 800s, 800 is 800. 818, 818. 862, 862. Now let's move forward to 900. 900 is 900. 922, 922. 993, 993. Now 1000. 1000 we say only meal. We don't say un meal or uno meal. Only meal. Meal means 1000. 1002, meal dos. 1033, meal 33. Now 2000. For 2000 we say dos mil. 2000. Similarly 3000, tres mil. 4000, cuatro mil. Then 5000, cinco mil. Then 7000, siete mil. And 8000 is ocho mil. 9000 is nueve mil. 10,000, 10,000. Adiós, bye bye, nos vemos en el próximo video. Que tengas un buen día. Have a nice day.